Hello, my name is Alex Hussein. I'm the founder and CEO at 3D Chimera, and this is our application for the Approval Sprints Challenge. 3D Chimera is a 3D printing and 3D scanning company based down in Miami, Florida. We've got a couple components to our business. We sell equipment, we service and maintain equipment, and we also do technical service projects for our customers. We actually do quite a bit of work down here in the Miami area in the MRO industry. So we've done a lot of projects in aerospace. We also work with a lot of manufacturers based out of South America who are like repairing or replacing components on industrial equipment. So we have a pretty good experience producing functional parts on our machines. We have a whole variety of 3D printers here, and we tend to choose the 3D printer based on the challenge that we have in front of us. For this particular challenge, we're leaning towards really two of our main technologies. One will be our SLS 3D printer, and the others might be our FDM 3D printers, our open material systems. Before I show you guys those, I want to give you a little background about myself. My name is Alex Hussein. My background is in mechanical engineering. I have a degree from Northeastern University. Prior to starting 3D Chimera, I was a practicing design engineer at a bunch of different design firms up and down the East Coast of the US. Wanted to show you guys here, this is our patent wall. These are 8 patents that we've earned over the years. Some design and some utility patents. We do CAD work here. We are strong SolidWorks users. In fact, until just recently, I was the SolidWorks user group leader for Miami-Dade. And we actually just came on board as a reseller with SolidWorks recently. So we have access to all the CAD packages. We're pretty expert at doing CAD work like that. So I'll show you a couple examples of things that we've 3D printed before that might be maybe analogous to the type of things that you guys are thinking about. So here on the tabletop, we have some of our SLS 3D printed parts. So these are going to be printed out of PA12 nylon. This material could be a really good fit. Our largest build volume on this guy is about 6 inches by 15 inches. So it's 6-inch diameter by 15 inches tall. We should be able to print just about any geometry that we wish to try inside of that. That particular material is fantastic because it has a heat deflection temperature of about 130 degrees Celsius and really incredible chemical resistance. We also have some proprietary techniques we do in-house to waterproof the parts and seal them up. We have customers who are using them in all sorts of laboratory and in-vehicle environments, so we have high confidence that could work. We also have a lot of experience working with FDM 3D printing and open materials. All these parts on the tabletop are different types of glass fiber, carbon fiber reinforced materials. This particular part's a really interesting one. This is made out of a glass reinforced nylon, and this particular part we're able to pull a 3,000-pound vehicle with that. I'll walk into the back of the shop in a moment and show you some of the parts that we've got going on back there. This is our SLS technology. Right now it's actually printing. You can see one of the strength parts on there. This is printed on our Sintertech S2. So that's our SLS printer. And this is our German RepRap X400. This is one of our printers that we would print that carbon fiber reinforced material on. Let's see here. I'll walk you into the back. All right, so this is one of our engineers, Julian. You can tell them a little bit about yourself, Julian.
Yeah, hi, I'm Julian Cecil. I'm 3D Chimera's design application engineer, as well as our in-house SLS printing technology expert. I'm an engineer by training. I studied applied mathematics at Hawaii Pacific University and got my bachelor's there, and as well as in mechanical engineering at Washington University in St. Louis, where I went on to get my master's in science of aerospace engineering, studying computer simulations for hypersonic flows. I have 4 years of experience in manufacturing and design, and I'm excited to see what this challenge gives us.
Cool. I wanted to also show you guys this part up here, so you can see we've got this big old heavy bag hanging back here, but what's really neat is this is actually hanging on a 3D printed part. So that part that it's on right there is actually just a plain PA12 nylon off of the Sintertech 3D printer. You can see hanging off the side, we sometimes have that hanging off the carbon fiber or glass fiber reinforced nylon up there. That one's super strong, but we're able to also be very successful Whoops, sorry about that. Holding the bag up here on the PA12 part as well. As we make our way around here, I'd like to also introduce you to Andrew. He's a 3D printing expert on our team.
Hi, how's it going? My name is Andrew. I have 8 years of CAD experience, including Inventor, Autodesk, and Fusion 360. I'm also learning SolidWorks now. I also have experience doing 3D printing for about 2 to 3 years.
Awesome. Thanks, dude. So I'll show you guys just the last few printers we have here. So this is our X500 3D printer. This is our high temperature FDM 3D printer. And this is our X1000. It's a little hard to see, but it prints parts up to about 1 meter in size. So hopefully that gives you guys a little bit of an insight into our team and what we can do here. We're very excited to work on this challenge, and we think that we can be very successful based on the team that we have here and the equipment we have. So we look forward to hearing from you.